What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video here, and today we are doing gdevelop, how to create a full screen button, but when you click create full screen and like a window one and like exit button. Yeah, so that's what we're working on in this video today. So if you do not know how to do that, you need to watch the video, and just don't forget to subscribe and get subscribers. And our channel is growing, guys. We now reach about 70 subscribers, and I'm really excited. I'm really to see what this community can go. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and every time I drop a post, thank you guys. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Yeah, guys, so now I pull up these images, and I was gonna tell you this video is gonna be very short, as you can go see, and it's gonna be very easier than you guys ever will think. So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you're not new, subscribe. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe and love the like on the video. So yeah, so let's go in our event. Let's just quit when I'm not doing this thing again. So I'm gonna use my cursor to indicate. So I'm saying when the cursor is touching full screen, and the left primary button is pressed. Just type in full screen and activate full screen. But you have two types. I'm gonna show you. If you click yes here, go here, click on the full screen button. You see you have that black part there. Let's go back. Cancel this. Go back and gdevelop. But if you click no and play, click it. You just stretch it all out. So I'm just telling you guys in case if you want to know that and want to know how you don't want that black area in there, that would be a good way. And it has simple with the other one. All thing, I'm gonna copy this and just say no, and I'm just gonna change this right up here. Instead of full screen, I'm gonna put I still need this full screen. I'm gonna change it name to window, I guess. So yeah, so let's click this and this. I wonder if you say yes for this, what happens? I guess it's just the regular stuff happen. Now, what's this last exit button? So, let's just do something here. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Let's just give this to exit button and say going scene part right here and just say exit again. That's how simple it is. That's how simple it is, guys. So you got a full screen there, window here, and exit. So yeah, guys, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and share and like, and I hope you watch the video because it's a very short video.